Hi, and welcome to Deb's Duck. Today I have an unboxing from Diamond Dots at Home. This is one that I got a while ago, but I've been just working on them one at a time. This one is this lovely one called Oriental Jewel. Isn't she pretty? This was is an advanced expert. It'll have right on the box what it is, and it'll show you on the side the diamond area and the design area. So there are 24 colors, 20,713 dots. How about that? So let's get started. And we'll put this box to the side. First of all, here's the diamonds. Now, in the expert, you get this beautiful little pouch with a 13-faceted diamond. That's how much. There are 13 facets on each of the diamonds in the Diamond Dots kits. 13 facets. Diamond Dots at Home. Says you can read it through there. Not sure if you can read through there. I got glare from my window. Anyway, isn't that pretty? I use them. They can be used as paperweights. They can be used as cover keepers, just for pretty. So that's it. All right. Now let's look at the painting first. Comes rolled up in a bag to protect it. It says add some sparkle to your wood. And they give you a big booklet, big paper on how to diamond paint. So you get an, even if it's an expert kit, you get instructions on how to diamond paint, which is very nice. And I'm gonna unroll this. So how have you all been? Is it starting to cool off in the area you live in? Finally, we have the air conditioning off. It seems like it ran all summer long, which is unusual for Wisconsin. We've had some 90-degree days in a row, but we never get 100-degree days, which is nice. But this is a 42 by 42 centimeters, so 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches. It is diamond all the way to the edges. It's not just the girl. The butterflies are actually printed. There's no glue on the butterflies. They're printed so they will not be pixelated. That is nice. Even in the areas where it was rolled and they put the cover on, there's still plenty of sticky. Her face is also screen printed, so you won't have the pixelation there either. Very, very nice. Very clear. Very clear symbols. Like I said, 24 colors. There are 2, must be ABs, the Aurora Borealis, and one that is 2004 is a different number than the other, so maybe it's a glow in the dark. I'm not sure, but we will find out. So let's open up the colors. In here, you get a nice kit, little Ziploc bag. This one comes with the gold pen with the silicone gripper there and the diamond at the top. You get a nice tray, a jar of pink wax, and baggies. Keep the wax aside. Now at Diamond Dots, I've been buying jars at Joann's, so any colors I have left over I can add to those colors. Which would be nice. These are rounds. Very pretty colors. And here is 2 bags of that color. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? That's probably black. Ooh, that one I like a lot. A little similar. Okay, so 2004 is yellow ABs, and 5001 is white ABs. 5002 is bright yellow ABs. So there's no glow in the dark, it's just a different number. Ooh, look at that, all that white, that must be the background. 20, color 21, let's see. Yep, all this background is white. That's why there's 2 bags. Oh, what's this? A20. Look at, oh, look at the sparkle in there. Can you see? Oh, too much glare. Lots of sparkle. So there's 3 ABs and this metallic looking one. So, oh, this is going to be really pretty. Again, I will show my finished products on Instagram. On Instagram, I'm Knittin' Debs. I shortened it, took out the spaces, so it's not, instead of Knittin' Debs dash Nook, I just made it Knittin' Debs. So you can find me on Instagram. I do have a TikTok. I believe it's just Knittin' Debs also. I don't put on there too much. Maybe I should make some little short videos. But there we have Oriental Jewel is the name of this one, from Diamond Dots at Home. I will put a link in the description. Rumor is we're getting some new designs soon, so you can be doing some more shopping and get some new diamond paintings. The quality in these is so superior to anything that you can buy cheaply. So never let the price scare you away. Always, there's a discount code for items on sale. So, all right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and tell your friends. And have a great weekend. Bye-bye.